time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? A handy dandy snack coming to you from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. But what is it? Well, I'll let you know in just a moment. Time for a brand new ultimate taste test. But what am I going to be trying today? It is from Flavor Kist Fruit and Grain snack bars, naturally and artificially flavored. Each box contains 4 cereal bars, individually wrapped. And what do they look like? Those do look nice, don't they? But the big question is, how do they taste? It has a bar made out of cereal of some type. I believe oats is part of it. It's a little dry, but I guess when you're walking along having a snack like this, which should be good for you. The strawberry filling inside is like strawberry jam. Really, really nice strawberry jam. So the combination is really interesting. And I believe this would be something that would give you some energy when you're walking around somewhere or working and take a little snack. So, a snack? That sounds good to me. Yeah, that's my new thing. Snack. So, in closing, I will give it an 8.5 out of 10. Because they're good, and you can get them at Dollar Tree for $1. Imagine that. And they're good. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you're brand new to this channel and you love what you see, subscribe to my channel. Become part of my YouTube family. But when you do, leave a message for me so I can find out who you are and say thank you. And of course, you can share this video with your friends. And if you really want to, you can write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.